Hey everybody, this is Chef Santana. I'm back with Cooking with Compare. I'm going to show you another taco recipe. We're going to go beyond the beef, and I'm going to give you a southern twist on my collard green, mushroom, and steak tacos. This is going to be delicious, it's going to be great, easy, and fun. Let's go. Every taco, in my opinion, needs that crispy or that crunchy, watery element such as the lettuce that you normally found in your ground beef. But since we're going beyond the beef and we're doing something with a twist, I'm going to use collard greens. I'm going to just quickly saute these things, and they're going to have that crispy, that crunchy element that I really want still. So I'm just going to take a few leaves, and I'm just going to cut the bottom portion of the stem off. And then I'm going to roll them kind of tight so I can do the chiffonade. Now, I'm keeping these stems on here because the people don't realize that these stems have a lot of flavor. When you cut them thin, you actually lower the cooking time, and it's easier to break down those fibers. So I cut them and then wash them. Put these in here. And the rule is to wash 3 times. So you want to fill up the bowl with water, give these a wash, just like you wash herbs as well. Some people overthink collard greens, thinking you got to put bleach and vinegar and peroxide, but in actuality, you just have to give them a good clean. Clean them 3 times, and then when the water is clean of grit, then you know they're ready. Strain them. Repeat. Clean greens. So right now we're about to cook our mushrooms. The first thing I want to do is just put the mushrooms in here. I just wanted them to stay. They're going to shrink significantly in size. I don't want to season or salt the mushrooms till about 85–90% of the way. I want my mushrooms to be firm and crispy. Usually when you salt it first, it releases water, and that's how you get a steam rather than a saute. So here we are at the meat section. I'm going to go ahead and grab some steak that's already marinated and prepared. Again, makes it quick, fast, and a hurry for my steak tacos. Now, there's a few that I can choose from. I'm going to go with one of my favorite right here. This is a skirt steak that's already marinated in mojo sauce, guajillo peppers, garlic. It's so delicious, already done. It's been marinating for hours, ready to go. It's already marinated, ready to go. Time to grill them. And then I'm just going to tint it with a little bit of foil just to help retain the heat. Now, of course, what's a taco without a tortilla? There's a lot to choose from. I'm going to grab these right here. Here we are at the dairy section. Now, no taco is complete without cheese. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this queso fresco right here. I love it because it crumbles very well and it just tastes so good and matches well with a taco. And there you have it. This is my take on collard green, mushroom, and steak taco. Really delicious, but let's confirm that. Now that's the flavorful taco. The steak that was already marinated with the mojo sauce and the guajillo peppers, with the collard greens, the mushroom, the guacamole, all the flavors just come together just to make another beautiful fantasy. I'm Chef Santana. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. This is Cooking with Compare, and I'll see you next time.